Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Wrong same way.
Uncle again.
Me?
Yeah.
Me? I like that one. Yeah?
You like it?
Okay, good.
Where you from? Trinidad?
No, Guyana.
Guyana?
Yeah.
Oh, big up Uncle again.
Alright, good. Take care.
Yeah.
Alright, have a nice time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have got a wedding right now. We have got a wedding till it's 10.
Yeah?
We're doing a wedding.
Okay.
Alright, so take care.
Alright then, take care. Yeah. Are you going to a wedding?
Yes.
Okay.
My wife and I?
Yeah.
Come to the West End.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright then.
Alright.
Good. You ready just come with the people?
Yeah.
Same way come in, go back the same way.
Alright.
Good.
Alright, guys. Blessed love. So we're here in Scarborough. And I think this is where the event is, the festival. Well, I guess it's more like a carnival because I see floats and I see them thing there, you know. And I'm here with one of our extended family. So guys, so here we have Enarita, and then Enarita, you know, our extended family.
Yeah.
Representing, we're representing for now. Let me see, One Love.
One Love, yeah.
She representing for One Love. So Enarita, tell them about your YouTube channel.
Oh, my YouTube channel is called Delicious 905.
Delicious 905.
It's a small YouTube channel, so please guys check it out.
Yeah.
And you know,
nothing is small. Nothing is small because if you're having a barbecue and 100 people turn out, that's a lot of people, right?
Yeah.
Trust me, so it will grow.
Thank you.
So it's Delicious
905.
905.
Yeah.
Delicious 905. So if you're a content creator and went to YouTube, don't worry about how many subscribers you have, how many people watching. Just think of if you're keeping a party, you see 100 people turn out, and you look on the amount of people at that spot. That is a lot of people. You understand? So at least you're getting the message out, and we give thanks and we appreciate same way for everyone that subscribed. I can smell basmati rice. You know I smell basmati rice? I smell basmati rice.
You smell it?
Yeah. But boy, the sun is out. You should bring a towel. So Enarita have a backpacker, should know the weather.
Yeah.
And should know the water.
Have water.
Keep hydrated.
Yeah.
She's representing for the Rastafari then. Here's the floats them coming in. So this is Scarborough Carnival, it's not a festival. Woo! So guys, so this is the kiddies carnival. You know, so the big carnival is not arrived as yet. Represented for Trinidad?
Trinidad, yeah.
Trinidad.
Actually, the whole Caribbean, you know, it's part of the culture. Man.
Yeah. And I'm representing for Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Doubles?
Yeah, man.
And the bacon shark?
Yeah. Hey. Shout out to you guys. Hope you love the car.
Yeah, I love the cars. Mini Cooper.
Mini Cooper.
Mini Cooper, nice. So you want to give anyone in Trinidad a shout out?
Yeah, to all my family and friends in Trinidad. Hi, we're enjoying the Carnival season.
Yes, beautiful. I love it.
Nice.
Big up my general.
Yeah, man.
He's driving the Mini Cooper. Classic Mini Cooper. She just waiting on one of her friends, then we can start walk and so I'll go on in this carnival here in Canada. Oh, hello.
Hi, sir. I hear so much about Kina from her. Kina.
Yeah, they finally meet Kina.
That's a good thing though, for you to have in your...
Yeah. What's your name?
Agatha.
Oh, Violet.
Whatever, yeah.
Okay, so I'll call you Violet.
I won't call me Miss Cassette, your cousin. Yeah. You know, we have smoked 2 days ago.
Yeah, trust me.
You thought you were here.
Yeah, see all the smoke and everything.
Yeah, my friend
So we're waiting on others. Same way.
Yeah, my friend was coming there. Did you go further down?
Yeah, that's where we're coming from.
We're coming there.
Yeah.
So you can go here past the historic home, or you can go in the Lahana. Or come in the road. Okay. But what you can do, the back of the historic home, you know, I think they have stuff over there because there's a DC one.
Oh, that's where
Nobody wants to see the float.
Well, I guess the float is coming this way.
Yeah, the float is going there.
So we won't miss it. So if we go,
Look at the cut on the float that is here, right?
we won't miss it because everything gonna pass here. But I guess there's a traffic for them to pass.
Yeah.
So we can always go ahead.
You wanna go ahead?
Yeah, because there's float ahead already.
Yeah,
Right?
I think so.
Yeah. Big up. Yeah. Big up yourself, you know. Momento. What's she missing? Keep on meeting our subscribers, them is here, they're out. place is nice. It's nice. It's nice. I'm not even lying.
It's great.
Yes.
It's a good beginning and it's a beautiful day.
Yes.
So we have to cherish at least the warm weather and the sunshine.
Yeah.
Which is what we need for this.
Of course. He's one of our subscribers.
Yes.
You know.
And I have been, when you were in Trinidad, I've been following you all along.
Eating all those doubles, right?
Yes.
Eating all those doubles.
I hope you've been keeping it up in Jamaica since you went there.
I love
At least
it.
it's easy to make. So.
You're from Trinidad?
Yeah, I am.
Give a shout out to Trinidad. Give a shout out to Trinidad. Anything you want to say to your country. Anyone you know who is watching. You know.
Having a good time. This is my carnival. See you guys next year, 2027.
All right.
Okay.
I watch you, I'm a subscriber.
You're on it already. Hello. That's one of our subscribers. Hold on. What's your name?
Chantal.
And here we have Chantal here in the Carnival. My first time. I never really expect this. I never expect this at all.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, I like it. Thank you so much for watching in Jamaica.
Keep up your good work. Dream team, keep it up.
One team. You know the thing. Say that again.
Dream team, keep it up.
Okay, hear that? Dream team, keep it up. Where from? Grenada?
Yes. I see you on YouTube. That's right.
Come, big up yourself. Big up Grenada. Big up Grenada. Oh, guys, this is also one of our subscribers from Grenada.
Yes. Live in Toronto though.
Oh,
Yeah.
big up, represented.
Yes. Big up Akeynote. We watch your videos.
All the time.
Since 29 on YouTube.
629 YouTube.
Yes.
Okay.
Do it together.
Okay. Sisters.
Yeah.
Look like twins.
Yes.
I can actually say, well, this Scarborough one is the liveliest one I've been through so far. You know, this one is the liveliest one I've been through so far. You know, there's some floats ahead. So I'm just walking about. We hear some Jamaican music down the stretch. about Kino life in Canada.
No, because I watch it every day.
Yes. Thank you so much. Big up yourself.
Right here, hi. I watch Kino life in Jamaica.
She watch me every day.
Every day. I like her. I think I like every day.
Thank you so much. I'm really enjoying, you know.
Chapter 1 and verse 10.
Like all behavior, say goodbye, like you just leave and gone. Who wants to drink from?
Gotcha, brother, gotcha.
Africa comes from Leo Scipio Africanus, and America comes from America Vespucci. Do you come from two white men? You cannot come from two white men. That is the punishment of God. That now you will not remember who you are. For you to humble down and listen to the word and understand that this is for you. That you, and now you can understand your history is in the Bible. Your history is in the Bible. Read it. Like all with fire. I went with fire like a whirlwind to render his anger with fury. Render his anger with fury, you know, and his rebuke with flame of fire. You know what a rebuke is? It's correction. Our people, black people, need correction. But the thing is that we love to get corrected by white people. But we don't want to get corrected by God. Because God gave us commandments and we go against the commandments of God. But just wait if the white man gives you a rule now. Yes, my son. Yes, I'm gonna do what you say. The white man says if you disobey this law, you're gonna go to jail. Oh shoot, I don't want to go to jail. But God says if you break the commandments, it's going to kill you. Who's that? God is not gonna kill me. God is a loving God. You know who gave you the loving God? It's this one right here.
That's your heritage.
Okay, but hey,
not Jamaica.
Let me finish this before you go.
Jamaica is a citizenship. You have a passport?
By fire and by
passport, right?
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna be able to make your travel.
Yeah.
That's your
And
heritage.
the slave,
You understand?
and the slave,
That's
you know
what
what
we're
is
gonna come back. This is Greek.
meaning the killing of God will be what? And the slave of the Lord shall be married.
Hey,
Hey, my brother, how you doing, sir?
I'm good, man, I'm good.
Yeah, my name is Jeremiah.
I am Kino.
Kino?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. What we're going over that God. Okay. Right. But remember, yes, sir. Uncle Sean, nice to meet you, brother. But remember this. God will be doing a lot of killing when he comes back. He's not going to come kumbaya giving hugs and kisses. He's going to come and he's going to be killing a lot of people. He's going to be killing a lot of his people. Now my question is, who is God's people? Do you know?
We are?
We are.
Yeah.
My brother, where you from?
Jamaica.
You're from Jamaica. See, there's a lot of our people that are from Jamaica. You come from the tribe of Benjamin. My sister, have you ever heard that before?
It's about tribes, yeah.
Yes. The West Indies black, they come from the tribe of Benjamin. Like, what country you from? Jamaica, right? So where you from? Trinidad. The mighty tribe of Benjamin. You know who else came from the tribe of Benjamin? Paul. Paul, the Apostle Paul, the one that wrote the majority of the New Testament. So now, if now you come from the tribe of Benjamin and you are black, what color is Paul?
Black.
Yes. So if Paul will be walking the earth right now, they'll be walking the streets of Toronto, they will be calling him a Jamaican. They'll be calling him a West Indian. But now the Bible says we are the Israelites. Give me that in Romans 11. Romans 11. You got to remember who you are. You're not Jamaican. You need to remember who you are, sis. And you, my brother, you are a king on this earth. Remember who you are.
So we are the Benjamin.
Yes. You are an Israelite from the tribe of Benjamin. You're an Israelite from the tribe of Benjamin. You're an Israelite sis from the tribe of Benjamin. Now let's see, Paul, what is his true nationality? Watch this. Romans chapter 11 and verse 1. I said, God does away his people. This is what a lot of our people think. This is what the Christian church say. The Christian church say the fact that God's people disobey him, God cast them away, and now he opened salvation to the other nations. That's nowhere in the Bible. Salvation is only for you, for the Israelites. Because when you look at the white man, what does he need salvation for? Does he not own everything? Does he not own the streets of Toronto? Does he not own all the businesses? Does not the Chinese own the port of Jamaica? But the Jamaicans don't own the port. All those nations are doing wrong to his people.
Benjamin. Hello. Nice meeting you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. You got all the beauties here, man. You got all the beauties are here. Wow. So are these made from the real sticker mines? The mine stuff.
What do you like? Yeah, no, I know.
So which one you got here? Which one is this one?
You know, you want with a tiger eye. Tiger eye.
Tiger eye. How much is it?
I'm giving you for $15.
Thank you. I'm gonna support her. Get the tiger eye.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. You watch me every day. So like when you watch me, I'm supporting you back. She watch me every day. Hold this for me. Let me. $15. Trini double spots. This is rupees, Trini doubles, roti and doubles. This side says roti and doubles. Yes, yeah. Sit back and relax. Okay, people over there. Hello.
Gosh, nice to meet you. This is my daughter Trinity. I was watching.
Your daughter?
Trinity. Yeah.
Hello, Trinity. You're from Neo show? You're from Neo movie? Come here, big up yourself.
Hi.
Bless up. I'm enjoying the moment.
Enjoy, yeah.
You know, giving myself a bit of trouble.
I was watching you yesterday and I heard you said you're going to be at the carnival.
Yeah, I look at that.
I hope I see you.
Hey, look at that. Look at that. I am here. So listen, how far this go to? All these tents?
I think it goes all the way down there. How far does the tent go? All the way down there, right?
Okay, yeah.
I think it goes all the way down.
All the way down?
You guys related?
No.
Oh, friends.
Yeah.
I guess when you're friends for too long, you start to look like each other. That's what happened.
I guess so.
Hey. We keep patrolling to see what's going on here. This is nice vibe, you know. Feeling the carnival vibe. Feeling the carnival vibe. The roast corn. Roast and fry, roast and fry. Roast and fry, roast and fry. I better roast and try.
I was cleaning my fridge and I threw away.
Guys, so I guess this is where you can get all your food. You know, a lot of spots where you can get food. So whenever I'm ready, I know I saw that Trini spot with the pepper shrimp on Hungry Belly, people. So this is Hungry Belly. So if you're hungry, you can come at Hungry Belly. If you're hungry, you come at Hungry Belly. But if you're not hungry, don't come. But the place is, yeah, I like it. Here we have the natural juice. So I'm gonna come getting my natural juice over there. So hello. Hello. Why are you hiding?
She's shy.
You can't be shy. Why are you gonna be shy? Okay, so hello Shy. Hello Shy. My name is Kino from Jamaica. So it's Kino Life in Jamaica. Kingston. So all you have put on from where? You're a wholeness? Oh, and you're a oneness? And she a two-ness? So we have wholeness, oneness and two-ness. Tripleness. So the tripleness. So what we have here? What we have here?
We have
Let's show the people them what go on, man.
barbecue chicken.
We have the barbecue chicken.
And then we have some fried chicken.
Fried chicken over here.
Okay, and then rice and peas.
Oh, the nice and peas.
Rice and peas. Jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken.
And then we have some oxtail over here.
So I go on, guys. So I go on. So we have the
Oxtail. Oh,
that's it's oxtail. Oh, yeah,
freshly made.
All ladies.
Curry goat over here.
The Jamaican goat, this are the Canada goat.
So come see us at Tini Carnival.
Okay. Wow. So you guys the one that in charge of everything, right?
She's in charge. We're just working for her. I'm just her sister. Yeah.
Oh, so sister.
That's the boss man right here.
Oh, the boss man then.
Just one part and she grab her.
The boss man from Jamaica too. And the boss man this? From Jamaica?
Yes, St. Lucia.
St. Lucia. Oh, big up my brother. Big up yourself. On St. Lucian way. All right. Thank you so much, yeah?
No problem.
Yeah. So we keep moving. We keep it moving. Oh, we have the island inspiration over here. Representing. This is the Jamaican spot. This is the Jamaican spot where the pot hot. I can bet that, right? At the Jamaican spot right there, we have the fry over there. Soup a boil. And a soup. Rice and peas.
Exactly.
We now call it nice and peas. And we have the jerk over here. Some fried chicken over here. Give a catering company a shout out of
Yeah, man. Island Inspiration Company. See, you can find us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and like our number. See?
So this is the number.
Yeah, man. Up and running, man. Like the authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. Food, everything authentic. See?
Finger licking good.
No question about that.
No question.
Great food.
Alright then.
Running.
With the I name, who do I ask for?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Alright. Remember, check out Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Respect and
Like life.
Yeah. And you say everything.
Yeah, man.
Alright, guys. And them have the jerk over here. Spot is live. So we keep it moving. We keep it moving. So we keep moving around. We have another Caribbean spot here, see them here. You know, all Caribbeans cook the same but taste different. It look the same, cook the same, some cook differently, taste differently, but the whole idea is all of the idea of looking Caribbean food, you know. So every Caribbean food spot you go, you're gonna see the same look alike, you know, but taste alike, different alike, you know, different tastes, different. So you have another authentic Jamaican spot, you have to see them here. One more Jamaican spot, same way. Everywhere you go, you're gonna find those things going on. Why my eyes making me hungry now. Now like there's so many food tents everywhere. Like literally the place is got pure food tents. Everywhere you walk, you know someone got a tent for food. You cannot go hungry. You cannot. There's so many spots. There's a park over there, but if I go this way, because right now I'm just walking. So if I lost myself, it's nothing new. You know? Nothing new at all. So you have a spot here. Jump cuts?
Yes.
Wow.
So when I say
okay, so you have some more tents over here. Let me go show. Oh yes, wow, down here says very cool. Very cool.
I think they were like. Sorry.
This more looks like family come with their picnicking. You know, this is all family that's chilling.
The team is Argentina, right? Because they play as a unit. Right. Yeah, I agree. So what you say? Player for player, most teams are better player for player.
So these tent look like picnicking going on. You know, like
Turn on my phone. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
just thinking about me.
Yes, because I was watching. I know you're here in Toronto.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Oh my gosh. I've been watching Jamaica. Oh my gosh, so wonderful.
I know.
You came all the way from Brampton over here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh. My granddaughter was here. Oh, and she's in the park.
Oh, she's in the park.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
too bad.
Oh my goodness. Well,
so I have to come get the experience.
I was just thinking about you, and I was looking over there, and I'm like, I wonder if you're walking around. Actually here.
I am here.
I'm so glad that you're here for the experience.
Oh, I love it. I love it. I really love it. It's really, really nice. I really like it. I'm surprised. I was quite surprised, you know, how it turns out. So just imagine how Carnival is going to be.
It's going to be bigger than this.
Bigger than
and
this.
better, right? So I'm glad that you're here for the experience. Welcome to Toronto again.
Keep up
the good work. Keep up the good work that you're doing in Jamaica.
I will.
All right?
Thank you so much.
All right. Bye.
All right, bye. Manala, I was quite surprised that over years that lit, you know, like so many vibes, like it's literally nice, and they said this is nothing yet. There's other spots for me to go and eat, you know, but trust me, it's really, really live, you know, really, really live. I need to get myself some food. I've seen all of this food now making me want to eat some food, you know. Seen all the food make me want to get some food now, but which spot is going to be the best one to get some food? That's the thing. There is so much food look alike, smell the same, probably taste different, you know, so I don't know which one to get. So I don't know, but you know, I'm here, so I have to just try anything. Not anything, but try something. So you're from Trenchtown?
Yeah, right at Charles School.
Okay. So guys, so here we have a hold on. So we have a Trenchtownian in the building same way. From Trenchtown.
Oh my God!
Peace.
Hold on, say hello.
Oh, this camera. Hello. Thank you so much, yeah?
Yes, this is Malia, and Malia, that's Kino. Yeah, very popular. I'm excited, I forgot the whole family over there is like, oh, Kino! Right? So that's a whole family over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is one of your little followers.
Yeah, thank you so much, yeah?
All right.
So now camp out here?
Yes, we're just camping out for the day.
Okay.
Yes.
Lovely. So who you have there? Mom, who over here? Introduce me.
So this is my mom. Mommy, this is Kino Life in Jamaica.
Hello, mommy.
Hi, how are you? He does a lot of charity work.
Yeah.
He's also here doing your
video
music,
shoot.
your video shoot for music, right?
Yes. And everything.
This is my daughter, Makita.
Hi.
Oh, Makita. Hello.
And that's, her mommy.
Yeah.
And this is cousin Shakira.
Hello, Shakira.
And Daddy Sean.
Daddy Sean. Oh, so it's your daughter?
Yes.
Okay, so daddy and cousin and mommy and daughter and the whole family.
And the whole family. Yes, and she was in the parade. She was the first float out this morning.
Okay, so she finished already?
Oh yeah.
Early one.
Yeah.
Really busy.
I know.
I never expected it's going to be actually like this.
Exactly.
You come back Carnival next 2 weeks.
Yes.
Bye.
I'm going to be there.
Are you going to be here still?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I need to get that experience to see what it's like.
I know.
3 times this.
It's like 1 million people?
Yeah.
It's going to be busy.
That one's going to be hectic, man.
I don't usually go to that one, but I do work the venues, the food venue, with another friend of mine. So
But I'm going to take the experience for sure. One thing for sure, I'm going to see what it's like.
Yeah, for sure.
So thank you so much, man.
Yes,
Big up.
keep up the good work again. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Just have fun.
I will. I'm doing my best. Bye.
Bye.
Malia. Bye-bye. High five. High five. Alright, yeah?
Alright, take care.
Pick up every time, yeah? Pick up.
Every time?
Huh?
Every time?
Well, so far it's really, really good. I'm not lying. I like it. General.
It gets better, man.
Yeah, man. What's going on the next side? Oh, there's more tents. It's more. I guess there's more food tent over here, right? Well, it looks like there's same amount of food tents. It's the same amount of people. You don't have to walk far to eat. You just step to your right or step to your left and you find food to eat. Trust me. Hey, my lens one wipe off.
I was just walking there and then I turned back to go around there and then I see the side of you.
Okay, you're like, that's Akeynote.
Yeah.
Enjoying yourself?
No, I just came from home and I went in a store. I like to shop, so I went in a store.
Okay.
So I just came to look, you know. I didn't buy because I want to see what's going on.
Yeah.
Last year I came and I went home in an hour time.
Okay.
Yeah, because I know a lady that's there.
Yeah.
She's Auntie Dana, good friend. She have her food, she sells food.
Where?
So I always come up and buy from her. India, I don't know if she's here today.
Okay.
Auntie Dana was here last year, but I miss her when I came. I see Joshi, that's son.
Yeah.
But I don't know if she's there. Have a place over
Okay, because I'm going to soon get some food, so I don't know which spot to head to.
I'm going to see if she's there because I usually buy when I'm going home from her.
Okay.
Yes, I'll tell you. Going to be here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Alright then, take care, yeah?
No, we were watching you. We were watching your show.
Oh, yesterday?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, thank you. Yes, guys, you know, it's always a blessing to literally meet our subscribers, you know. Thank them so much for watching the program, you know, and God bless them all. Guys, I'm just here chilling on a tree. It's really a hot day, you know. It's very, very hot. It's hot and the virus is hot. Hand in hand. Hot and hot, hand in hand. Yeah. Lovely vibes. So I'm standing where they're doing the last part of the parade where the judges are. As they can see them down there. So they're dancing in front of the judges. You know, so this is the exit where they're all coming to. Hello. I'm good. Are you the big chef? Are you Auntie Dana chef?
Yeah. Good friend.
Yeah. Let me say you're the Auntie Dana chef. So I was gonna eat anything yet, you know, what you have for me? Well, I'm only seafood man still.
Oh, so we're just gonna escovitch fish.
You're gonna escovitch fish?
Yeah, but it's not quite ready yet. In another about 10 minutes.
Oh, no, when she come here,
she
from
come,
you?
Well, she's normally staying in a hotel, but she's close to where I live.
Okay.
So she's mostly by me, I am mostly by her.
Okay. So are you going with all of the cooking?
Yes.
What's the name of you? You got a restaurant?
Nana Linger.
Nana Linger. So you a Nana?
I am Nana.
Who are Lynn? So you a Nana?
Lynn.
Okay, no one. Now you do the jerk.
Yes.
Wow, so guys, so see there? Nana Lynn, well, chicken look pretty, Nana, but I like. Chicken look pretty. Chicken look. So you're gonna escovitch it? You know, stew, in a brown stew?
No.
Just the escovitch?
No, just escovitch.
Okay.
Probably space for some.
You have rice and beans?
Rice and beans.
What kind of rice you have?
For about rice and Farmboy rice.
Oh, Farmboy rice. Nana Ling jerk. Some fried dumpling. Nana Ling, where's your restaurant located?
564 Wilson Heights Boulevard, North York.
North?
York.
Okay. Let me come and check you out.
Right.
Get the finger licking right good, right?
That's right true.
Eat all your own finger.
Right, tell you.
Nana Ling. Alright, so like I know where she is, me just come get something from her, I'm ready then.
Yeah, I'm coming back later and buy some stuff from her.
Okay.
I always take home stuff from her.
Alright.
So I could eat for 2 days. You know how to get back over there?
Yeah, just 131. I know to find her as well. Yeah. I'll come back and find her. Yeah?
You didn't put it.
No, but I know to find it. Yeah. It's easy to find. Just come right here.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. And just see this, a car missing.
Walk around and see what's
Alright, thank you so much.
All right, nice meeting you.
Yeah.
I see you long time. You say you're going to get lost.
Yeah, no, I'm found.
Yeah, so you get you with the music?
Yeah, I'm going to shoot the video. I do the photo shoot. So we're organizing to do the video now.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Something different.
Yeah, so you will see what's happening.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah?
Okay.
Alright, thanks. So Nana, I'm gonna come circle you back when you're ready, okay?
No problem.
Alright, Nana with the jerk over there. Woo! Wait. So all of me can come back for the fish?
Give me 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
Alright, 20 minutes. I'll see you then.
Alright.
Alright.
Hola. Yo, besides you know,
Yeah.
I watch you all the time in the region.
Jaja, see there?
Yeah, what? Pandol and Juice Man
Okay.
live in Hola.
Man, some could have passed as key, you know.
Yeah, man, but I tell him I forget a little thing out of my
Yeah. Right, guys, the man.
Oh my God.
The man said we could have passed as.
Stone Rock.
The man said we could have passed as key, you know.
I see the stand and I'm like, oh, weird. Every day I look like Kino, so. My gosh.
Aight, man.
My God. Yes, people. There, our Kino live in Jamaica.
See you know.
Right in a Canada, Theo, Scarborough, there. One Kino, never two.
Life in Jamaica, you know what you think about? Yeah.
Yes, man. Hold on, man.
Come on, what's that now?
What? Yes.
So you know what you think about Kino life in Jamaica? Meet up on our subscribers and you know what you think about?
Bandol and the
The man
juice,
said we could have
man.
passed as Kino without the original Kino, you know?
Not two, number one. One
Only
Kino.
one, only one.
Straight out of Trenchtown. You see? Alright. No respect, I tell you. Yo, keep up
Yeah, man, cooler, man.
the good work here, sir. Enough good things here, though.
Yes, sir.
See, simple as it, man. I tell you. But we have to reach them. Yeah, man. See? Good for me to person. No more TV. But that's some
Yeah,
speak
it's
in
a person now, you
Yeah,
know?
man. Bless you,
Alright,
man.
big up,
Alright,
man.
see?
Yeah.
One love.
The fish. Yeah. Try your Nana Ling jerk. See what it's worth. So guys, so trying out Nana Ling jerk to definitely see what it's worth. Nana Ling jerk. I'm getting a gift from Nana.
You're doing this so you let your people know how it is. Be true to them.
What kind of cake is this?
Sweet potato pudding.
Sweet potato pudding? Okay, no dairy?
No,
You're another lady?
Nana Ling.
Okay.
From Auntie Nana.
Auntie Nana.
Coconut milk. Woo! But it's a sweet potato pudding. She gave him to try. And I would definitely tell them what it's like. Thank you so much, Nana Ling. There you go. Alright. Oh, I leave my juice on top of that. My drink. Take it up for me, please. So Nana, we have a buyer already. We have a buyer already of the pudding. Sweet potato pudding. So we have somebody to try the pudding. You know? Nana Lynn's sweet potato pudding. Eh? So only coconut milk in it, no dairy product, just coconut milk.
That's how I did mine the other day.
Yeah, just coconut milk.
Okay, well, I did it and then enjoy it.
You should come along. She sang advice all the line, we got such a story. Who on the left, who on the right, we going up and down. No one let them make a line, but I can't take it. See you when I come. This time we will come. Look at the morning, the last one we come. That's straight. So when you see them do this, come along, this time is right down the ground.
So I guess the Carnival float has finished. You know, that was literally the last one we just saw. So the float is finished. So it's all about inside the park now, where all the food tents are and all of that. People are going to be going around eating food, and there's a stage over there that's a performance going to take place as well too. I'm still not sure about 5 o'clock. Therefore, people will literally start to come over there. But everyone focuses here by the park where the food tents are. And this is where you can get all the food. So I guess everybody walk and everybody wants some food right now. So I'm just here strolling around. The park is full with a lot of kids. I have the kids playpen right there. Where all the kids them is playing. It's very active because it's a kiddies festival. It's a kiddies carnival. So basically it's called Kiddies Carnival. So you're gonna see more kids than anything else. That's the reason why you're seeing so many kids. Because it's a kiddies carnival. You know. So the caravana is the big one. So good old Jamaican can. The good old Jamaican can. Good? Yeah. So that's the good old Jamaican can. The lady I walk by says good. It's not Jamaica can, but you know from a can or it goes already. So I guess it's roast can. So I'm going to be walking about a bit, see what's really going on, but everything is right now inside the park. Everything right now is in.
Did you eat anything?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay, alright.
I had something from Nana Lynn.
Oh, okay, because I was going to say there's some corn soup. There's some corn soup up there, so
yeah, I already tried it. I never really do.
You know, and then there's some right there.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, alright.
Thanks. Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to walk.
Yeah, I'm just going that way because I have some friends hanging out on this side. So.
Okay. I just went that way as well.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm sure you have a lot of footage. I don't know what you're going to do with all that.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Getting corn soup? Yeah, I'm going to get corn soup. All right.
Where? Over here?
Oh, down there by the Rasta Papa.
Okay. Sorry.
All right.
I see where Malia was going because she was with Casey's mom and then she just taking off.
They take off. Okay. All right. Okay, Kino,
Gotcha.
later.
Yeah.
All right.
a, what's in the pineapple smoothie?
Yeah, you have to order right here though.
Okay.
I'll get it ready.
Is that the pineapple smoothie? Just
pineapple, little cane sugar, and ice.
Okay, okay. Are they right here?
Yeah.
Hello. Order the pineapple smoothie. How much?
15.
15?
Yeah.
Comes with a free refill. Keep this for proof of purchase as well as your free refill. Tell them your flavor over there.
So guys, I'm going to try this pineapple smoothie. See what I got.
Justify why it's everything is 10 except pineapple. Pineapple 15 that comes with a free refill. What is he going to try to get? He's trying to get a soup though. So it doesn't really matter.
Alright.
You wait for which flavor? Just original pineapple, right?
Pineapple, yeah.
Pineapple?
How you liking the fete so far?
I like it, man. My first time here.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Get this guy regular.
This is for the refill, right?
What do you want?
You better go refund your money. You gonna give me my little $5, was that?
Yeah, no worries.
Hold on. Is it $10 cash or 15 debit?
No. Sorry, I made a mistake. I thought it was 10, but it's actually 15 because it comes with a free refill. Yeah.
Okay.
My apologies. I'm sorry.
Pineapple smoothie. All pineapple blender with ice. I also get a chance you can refill. And they gave you a ticket to refill, so I'm gonna take my refill. Money's worth. This is 2 drinks already.
Coconut, strawberry, So which one?
What's the choice?
So coconut, strawberry, or pineapple?
Pineapple.
How much for it? It's 15. Grilled cheese? What do you think?
So I have about the pineapple. I'm not too big fan of strawberry. Plus I leave strawberry where it's just something is going on cancerous with, so I stay far from it. So I stick to the pineapple.
They only got 2
And the coconut, I can't work with the coconut. Sorry, you know? Sorry. Very refreshing.
I'll give you a joke in a minute. Hold on.
There's your mahjong. I don't know what you're watching. There's your mahjong there. Go down there.
So this is where the stage is.
Shining in your
So there's a banner and something up there.
Amen. I see a lighthouse. Amen. I see a lighthouse. Amen. See a lighthouse. In glory. I see a lighthouse. Amen. Your turn. Go. Amen. 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 Look, Michael, row your boat to shore. Michael, row your boat to shore.
So people make sure bring their chairs, their camping tent, umbrella, just to get this, because you know the sun ain't going down for now, so they have to be in the sun to watch all of this.
Michael, row your boat to shore.
Here's
Michael, what you waiting for? Your turn! Touch my finger with a golden pen, a golden pen, a golden pen. Touch my finger with a golden pen, sign my name up there. Touch my finger with a golden pen. Touch my finger with a golden pen, sign my name up there. Sign my name. Woo! Sign my name. Again. Amen. You can't get over it, so low, you can't get over it, so high, you can't get over it, oh, rock my soul, no, rock my soul, but I'm a Abraham, my soul, rock my soul, but I'm a Abraham, oh, rock my soul, again, rock my soul, rock my soul, rock my soul.
I'm glad we changed the date from yesterday till today because God has definitely blessed us with wonderful, beautiful people, beautiful vibes. The kids came out in abundance. I've had a great time today for the 2026 Junior Parade from the Toronto Caribbean Carnival. Don't forget, check us out at 50/50. Our tickets, purchase your tickets, and also for the next events coming up. On July 30th is the King and Queen, and then also get August 1st the big Jamaican live as well. Before we continue, we have the results here for today. I'm going to announce that it's been very, very hectic.
I want to say hi to my mom, Joy.
All of you.
Joy, blessing, Joy, big up yourself. You know, we just spoke. Thank you so much. I mean, your daughter.
Thank you.
Why everybody make
all
me
the
look so
MPPs,
tall?
the MPPs, the counselors that came out and gave us the permit.
You are tall. You're taller than I thought.
I'm not tall, guys. You know,
Fire service.
it's just the shoes that I wear that my per inches. You know, they give me a little bit of height.
Really?
Thank you so much.
Love watching your channel.
Thank you, man. You subscribe?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and the TV too?
Yes.
On your phone?
Both, everything.
Alright, so tell a friend to tell a friend, okay?
For sure, for sure.
Big up, mommy. Big up yourself. Alright.
If you get a picture to send to my mom.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh, that's too funny. Are you enjoying yourself?
I know I'm disappointed.
Blessed. So that is the end of the carnival for me. That is the end of the carnival for me. And everything goes, I'm going to be heading home. So it's nothing but love and love alone. You know, so I'll be looking out for the next festival or the carnival. So I am ready. Summertime in Canada. Cheers. So guys, I bless you, love. So have a wonderful day. Peace.
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. wanna be a better